Hello, welcome back to Life with Peishi. This is Peishi and I am super excited today. We're going to be unboxing these true wireless earbuds with power bank. Just look at how beautiful it is. Okay, let's get started. So that's the front part, the side part, and the back. The other side of the box. Let's see what's inside the box. And there we go. So this is what was in the box, and also we have the manual right there, and obviously we're not going to read that, right? We just figure it out as we go. So we throw it away for now, and then this right here is the charging case or power bank. So this is where we put our earbuds when we want to recharge them. All right, so that part that I just opened is written out and in. So the part that's written in is where we use when we want to charge this power bank. All right, and the part that's written out means that we are taking the power out of the power bank to charge something else. For example, you can actually charge your phone using this power bank. So now when we open inside, you're going to see the port where you are supposed to place your earbuds. All right, and it's written right, left, so that you just know where to put them. All right, by the way, if you like this video so far, and if you like any of my videos, please consider subscribing by just clicking the subscribe button that is down below and the notification bell that is next to it, so that each time I release a new video you will be notified. So in this plastic we have the charging cable, and we also have 2 extra pairs of ear tips. You see that? So there's different sizes in there. So if you have smaller ears, I advise that you use the smaller pair so that it fits perfectly fine. All right, so there we go. We have the earbuds. Okay, so normally the tips that come with the earbuds, they are not the smallest ones, so you're going to have to change it and take from that plastic and use the smallest ones if you are like me, because these ones were falling off. So when I changed and I put the smallest ones, they were just perfect size. And that's how you place the earbuds onto the ports. Like there's a magnet right there, so you just put it somewhere close to the port and it just gets sucked in just like that. Okay, so it's showing that it's charging right now, and when it's done, when they are full, you will realize that those batteries will just disappear. That's how they show you that it's now full. Okay, and also when you are charging the power bank as well, when it gets to 100%, it will just switch off and it will show you that it's now full. All right, see where it's written open? That rubbery thing, you see that it protects the power bank from dirt and dust so that they don't get inside the item. All right, so when you're done charging it, or when you're done charging your phone maybe, or anything else that you're using, you just have to make sure that you close that part so that you keep it safe. All right, takes about an hour to 2 hours for you to charge it to 100%, and also the battery dies in about 6 hours or so of use. So this is really good. I mean, If you're looking for something affordable and that just does the job, then this is it. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.